Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable lock screen wallpaper services on Samsung M35 device. Well, wallpaper services that constantly update or change the lock screen background can consume additional battery power. By disabling these services, users can conserve battery life and optimize device energy consumption. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the customization process, access the settings on your device. Okay, within the settings menu, locate and select wallpaper and style. So proceed by clicking on change wallpapers to access the wallpaper settings. Okay, after that scroll through the available options and choose wallpaper services. And then within the wallpaper services, explore the available choices and select the None option to remove any existing wallpaper services. Okay, this action allows you to revert to a basic wallpaper setup without additional services or enhancement. Finally, click on Apply to confirm the changes and apply the selected wallpaper settings. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable lock screen wallpaper services on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.